Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Elon Musk says America's Kamikaze drones used the wrong Starlink subscription. Elon Musk stated that U.S. military Kamikaze drones used the wrong Starlink subscription, incorrectly utilizing the civilian system instead of the more secure Starshield network designed for defense operations. SpaceX sought higher payments from the Pentagon, arguing the military should pay for a more expensive aviation-grade service tier costing $25,000 per terminal rather than the $5,000 civilian rate. The drones in question are LUCAS suicide drones made by an Arizona-based company. Elon Musk's SpaceX files paperwork for what's likely to be the biggest IPO in history. SpaceX has filed financial paperwork for an initial public offering that could raise approximately $80 billion, potentially making it the largest IPO in history. The company, led by Elon Musk, who controls 85% of its voting power, could be valued at over $1 trillion following the offering. The IPO would position SpaceX as one of the world's most valuable companies and could make Musk the first trillionaire. The space launch company's public debut has been anticipated since filing confidential paperwork with the SEC earlier this year. Starlink and Amazon may be able to buy into EU mobile satellite spectrum plan. The European Commission emphasizes that EU-wide satellite connectivity is essential for technological sovereignty, security, and defense capabilities. Commissioner Thomas Regnier stated that satellite connectivity represents resilience and capability in the current geopolitical environment, aligning with the IRIS-2 initiative. Elon Musk says SpaceX has only committed to a 180-day compute agreement with Anthropic. Elon Musk clarified that SpaceX has only committed to a 180-day compute lease with Anthropic, with 90-day mutual cancellation rights afterward, despite Anthropic's agreement to pay through May 2029. The arrangement, initially reported as a potential $40 billion revenue stream, underscores SpaceX's strategic focus on AI infrastructure beyond its core rocket and Starlink businesses. After Blue Origin rocket explosion, NASA's entire moon exploration program depends on SpaceX for now as Musk eyes blockbuster IPO soon. Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket exploded during a pre-launch test, jeopardizing the company's lunar lander plans and leaving SpaceX as NASA's primary option for moon missions. The incident delays NASA's Artemis III mission timeline and underscores the space agency's reliance on private contractors for lunar exploration. SpaceX, preparing for a major IPO, now faces increased pressure to deliver on its Starship lunar lander development. NASA's moon landing ambitions hinge on the success of SpaceX's program following Blue Origin's setback. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.